Hey guys, Jairus here, bringing you a video on how to update or upgrade your zero off speed control in 2007 newer boats that are equipped with zero off. Just some things that you're going to need are the ECM cable with the right connector that you get from zero off. You're going to need a PC-based computer. You can't use a Mac or anything unless it has Windows on the Mac. Um, and just a little information about this. A member named Ski in Excess. His name's Dave. He hooked me up with the cable. Was gracious enough to let me borrow it. Super nice guy. Thanks, Dave. My name is, I go by 303 Skier on ballspray.com. So his username is Ski in Excess, and I'm 303 Skier. We're both on Ball Spray. So if you need to contact Dave at Ski in Excess, he can help you with getting updated. He basically did all the legwork for me. He contacted Zero Off and got the software and the .mot file to upgrade the zero off and shipped it to me. So it was pretty painless. But we're going to show you here how to do the upgrade on the boat. So that's next. All right, guys, I'm in the boat now. This is a 2008 Ski Nautique 196 with the 343 Excalibur. So we're going to be upgrading the to Rev Q, which gives you the numbers along with the letters. So you'll have A 1 to 3 and B 1 to 3 and C 1 to 3. So just touch on it. So got to get your ECOM cable here. And you can get that on Zero Off's website. It's the Zero Off ECOM reprogramming kit, and it's $249. But or you can borrow it from Ski in Excess, like he graciously let me borrow it. So, anyways, so once you get your harness, one end of it's gonna have a USB, and then the other end of it should have the port for your style boat, which the Nautique has this. And on the Nautique, the port is located up on the driver's side front of the motor. And what if I can get it to look better here, a little more light. Basically, this was in the plug. So basically, what you do is you release this little gray piece, which you just push down that middle tong, and it just slides out, and then this will just slide right out, and then you take your other end of the ecom cable and just slide it in there and make sure it's nice and snug and it clicks. And then what you're going to do is go ahead and power on the boat. So don't crank it up, but just turn the ignition on. And what you're going to do is plug in the USB cable into your computer. And go ahead and check that you have the power light on the ecom box. It just lets it know that you're getting power there. You don't have a bad port on your computer or something. And after that, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the Aquastar display software. And what you're going to do is go ahead and paste in your password. And then also you're going to want to make sure that you select this single serial number access, and then put your let's put the serial code of your serial number of your zero off unit in there. I've already been in here, so I was just kind of showing you guys steps. So then go ahead and press OK, and then you'll see that it's going to go ahead and open up this screen here, and you'll see right there you want to make sure that it says connected. That's the most important thing, is that you get that connected box up there flashing in green. And then what you want to do is go ahead and select file. Make sure this focuses a little better. Go ahead and select file, and you're going to do reprogram target. Okay, And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab your MOT file. Now this is a file that I did for a different boat, so we're actually going to go to a different one here. Desktop. And this is the one we want here for this particular 2008 Ski Nautique 196. So go ahead and, this is important, make sure you hit load and don't hit enter because it'll just exit out of the program. So go ahead and hit load. Then you're going to go ahead and hit yes for perform standard application code download. And then you want to go ahead and hit yes on this. And you're going to see a little progress bar. So let that upgrade. You'll see that the 0 off actually went blank. So we'll watch this for a little bit. I do want to mention too, so steps before this is you want to install in order. You want to install. You're gonna, when you contact 0 off, you're gonna get some files. You're gonna get the MOT file. You're gonna get a driver's setup file, and you're also gonna get the Aquastar display setup files. So what you want to do first is install the driver setup. I can go ahead and show you this while it's loading. But this is the so this is what you want to select here for driver setup. So go ahead and run that. Click through all the screens. It's going to want you to reboot your computer. Go ahead and do that, and then you're going to click into the Aquastar folder, and you're going to do this setup here. You don't want to do anything else. You want to run this setup as well. And the way you can be sure is if you click on that, it's going to be an application type. So go ahead and click that and install that, and you should be all good. Restart the computer, and then you should be all good, ready to go. Alright, it says that all memory programmed successfully. 242.8 kilobytes programmed. Alright, so it looks like we're good to go there. Now you should be all set, ready to go. Let's go ahead and close this down. Go ahead and exit out of there. And what you want to do is turn the power off on the unit, or on the boat. Sorry. Go ahead and turn the power off on the boat, and then you're gonna just disconnect the. You know, a good idea is to wait till all the power goes off on the boat, because the 0 off stays on for a little while. Then go ahead and just unhook the USB and also this down here. Alright, so once you disconnect the computer and plug your plug back into the econ port, go ahead and turn the boat back on. You'll see that you have a totally different looking display now. Instead of your off being down here, it's now up here, which is nice and big, so you can really see if the unit is on or off. So if it's off, it's going to have a big off. If it's on, it's going to be like that. And then you can also see that now we have not only the letters but also the numbers. So C1 to 3, or A1 to 3, B1 to 3, and C1 to 3. And then also you have this plus now, which just brings you into the course a little bit faster. So that's about it. I'm sure there's some other advancements in the way it pulls and things like that, and jump and trick and whatnot. But for slalom, that's pretty much the upgrades there. So yeah, any other questions? Just ping me at ballspray at 303 skier or right here on this YouTube channel. Thanks.